Respect is never handed to you. It's built through what you do every single day. If you want real respect, you need to live by 3 simple but powerful rules. Rule number 1, do what you say. Most people talk, few deliver. When your words match your actions, people start trusting you, and trust is the foundation of respect. Rule number 2, stay consistent, even when it's hard. Anyone can be strong for a day, but respect comes to those who show up again and again, especially when they don't feel like it. Discipline creates a silent power that people can feel. Rule number 3, respect yourself first. If you tolerate laziness, excuses, and negativity in your own life, don't expect others to see value in you. Set standards, protect your time, and carry yourself with purpose. Follow these 3 rules long enough, and something changes. You stop chasing attention, and instead, respect starts chasing you. Because in the end, people don't respect what you say, they respect what you consistently prove.